If you've been wanting to work remotely but don't know where to start, don't worry, I got you. Today, I'm sharing some best remote jobs that don't require any experience, so you can start making money online as soon as possible. A lot of people think that you need to be super skilled to get a remote job, but the truth is there is a lot of beginner-friendly options out there. So let's get into it. Alright, first up is customer service and support. A lot of companies need people to help customers with questions and problems. And the best part is you don't need fancy skills or a degree to do this job. You just need to be good at communication and a little patience. So here are a few jobs that are perfect for beginners. Have you ever messaged a company for help and got response from a customer support agent? This could be you. Live chat support reps answer questions from customers through chat instead of phone calls. So this is great if you don't like to talk on the phone all day. And most companies do provide script for this. So you don't have to come up with answer from scratch. The key here is know how to type fast and keeping things friendly and professional. So what you need for this job is you need to be good at typing. You need to be clear and polite with your written communication, and also you need to have a basic problem-solving skills. You can look at companies like Amazon or Teleperformance. They usually offer a remote live chat positions with training. The second one is virtual assistant. Virtual assistant or a VA is basically an online personal assistant for businesses or entrepreneurs. You might help with emails, booking appointments, social media, or even small admin tasks. It's a great way to start working remotely because you don't need a specialized skills, just good at organization and a willingness to learn. So what you need to become a VA is a good organization skills. You need to be familiar with Google Docs and email because most VA helps like entrepreneur with their emails and also some data entry job. And you need to have a good attention to detail. Like remember your job as a virtual assistant is to help make the businesses or the entrepreneurs work a lot easier and smoother. So attention to detail and critical thinking are very important here. Where you can apply for a VA position, you can look at Upwork. You can also go to Facebook groups. A lot of digital nomad Facebook group nowadays have a good amount of job opportunities, and mostly businesses and entrepreneurs are constantly looking for a virtual assistant. LinkedIn will be another platform that's worth checking out. So those are the jobs you can get with customer service and support. Now let's move to content creation and social media. If you spend hours on social media, why not get paid on it? You don't need to be an influencer to make money from social media. There's also plenty of behind-the-scenes jobs. So here you can work as a social media manager. Small businesses and brands need help with keeping up with their social media. You'll schedule posts, reply to comments, and sometimes even create the content. If you already know your way around Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, this would be a fun way to start working remotely. Plus, it's a skill that can pay really well once you gain experience. So what you need to start working as a social media manager, you need to have a basic knowledge of Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, or any type of platform the business use for their social media presence. You also need to have a good eye for content. So Canva is a really good tool for this if the job requires you to create some content. The other skills is creative writing, because mostly when you create a content, you might have to come up with the caption as well. So you can find social media manager job on Upwork or We Work Remotely, as well as LinkedIn. If you're interested about learning digital marketing from scratch and actually get a job in it, I highly recommend Seth Heim Digital Marketing Blueprint. It teaches you all you need to know about digital marketing, from running ads, email marketing, SEO, all the skills that business will actually pay for. I will leave the link to the free masterclass so you can check it out down below. The next job you might want to look into is UGC creator. So UGC stands for user generated content. So if you love creating content, you love making video, but you don't really want to post it on your own social media, UGC can be a really great alternative, because here you can create content for brands that later on they will use to post on their own social media page. So UGC creator usually make unboxing videos, tutorials, or review for the brands. So something that they can usually use to post on their social media or run ads. For this, you don't need a big following because you will not be posting on your social media channel. Just a good lighting and a decent camera. The skills that you need to have to be a UGC creator is a basic video editing. So know how to use CapCut or InShot, and you need to be creative so you can make an engaging content. Also, you need to be able to follow the brand guidelines. If you're looking for a UGC gigs, then you can pitch to brands directly. There's also TikTok creator marketplace, and nowadays there's a lot of platform where you can join as a UGC creator. For example, there is this platform called Brands Meet Creator. Next category is teaching and tutoring. If you like teaching and you like helping people to learn a skill, then online tutoring might be for you. And nope, you don't need to be a certified teacher to do this. Just fluent in English and good at explaining things. So the job that you can get is an online English tutor. So English is in high demand all over the world, and many tutoring platforms let you teach it online without having a teaching degree. Some do require you to have a certification like TEFL. Others like Cambly, they don't usually require that. So I said English tutor, but it can be any type of language that you're fluent in. So you can also be an Italian tutor, Chinese tutor, Korean tutor, you name it. But the main key here is you want to be able to create a lesson plan and also teach in your native language. And usually you need to be bilingual, so you can also explain it in another language where the student is fluent in. This is a flexible, easy, and also a great way to start making money online. So what you need is a fluent language skills. You need to be friendly and have a patient personality because you're going to be a teacher. And also a quiet space for video call. You can look at websites like Cambly, italki, or Preply to start applying for this type of job. Now let's move to the next section, which is freelancing and gig work. Freelancing is perfect if you want to have a control over your schedule. I wouldn't say just rely on freelancing. Income wouldn't be sustainable, but this could be a really good starting point. You can take on project as a side hustle, and here's two beginner-friendly freelance jobs. First one is content writer. If you enjoy writing, this one is for you. Business are always looking for writers to create blog posts, website content, or even product description. What you need is a decent writing skills and the ability to research about the topic. So many beginners start with a simple gigs on platform like Fiverr, Upwork, and then they start building connections so they can work their way up to higher paying clients. To do this job, you need a strong writing and grammar skills, the ability to research and also summarize information, some knowledge of SEO. This can be a really helpful skills to have as a content writer. And you can find content writing job on Textbroker, ProBlogger, or Fiverr. Last but not least is data entry. This one is exactly like what it sounds like. Typing information into spreadsheet and also database. It is a repetitive but super easy and it doesn't require any experience. So if you're a fast typer and detail oriented, it's a simple way to start making money remotely. To do this job, you need to be able to type fast and also accurately. You need attention to detail and familiar with Excel and also Google Sheet. You can look for this job on Clickworker, LinkedIn, and also Fiverr. Now that you know some of the best remote job for beginners, where do you go from here? First, you want to pick one that sounds the most interesting to you. Then you want to start building some basic skills. YouTube and also online courses are great for this. And if you want a step-by-step guidance on becoming a digital nomad, I've put together the Ultimate Digital Nomad Guidebook, where I share the exact website I use to find remote work, how to transition from your current job to working remotely, and tips to stand out when you're applying for a remote job. This guidebook will come handy if you're planning to start your digital nomad journey. If you're interested, I'll leave the link down below on where you can grab this ebook. So let me know in the comment which remote job sounds the most interesting to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!